Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your Som Sundar, SDET coach. Guys, today let's directly jump into the some of the important interview questions that has been asked recently in the TCS. So this job location is for Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Kolkata, and Chennai locations in India. So let's discuss. So these interview questions are for those who are experienced within the range from 2 to 6 years of experience, and the candidate has been selected in the interview. The skill stack that we are going to majorly discuss the interview questions on are Java, API testing, Selenium, manual testing, rest assured, BDD, Agile, and CI/CD guys. So let's start with the interview questions. The first interview questions goes like, can you explain your project with your role and responsibility? How do you perform API testing? Explain in detail. What are some of the common API errors that are often found during testing? What are the major challenges you faced while performing API testing? What is mocking in API testing? What is the difference between post and put in API testing? And what is singleton design pattern and where have you used that in the framework? Guys, please be thorough end to end because you never know where the questions comes and in which part the question the interviewer may ask you. So please be ready with end to end interview questions. And then next, what is constructor? If you want to call the constructor from parent class, what will you do? What is the difference between final, finally, and finalize, and a sample example to show the demo? And how will you handle the alerts in Selenium? And guys, they may ask even you to write the syntax or the code snippet to understand how the alert is triggered or to understand the syntax of the alert in Selenium. And the next question goes like, how will you handle dynamic elements using XPath? How to refresh page in Selenium? Write a co and write a command for that. And then next question goes like, can you explain page factory and where have you used that in framework and what is the benefit of it? What is the use of Maven? And then what are the primary keys and unique keys in Selenium? And what are the differences of primary key and unique keys? How many joins are present in SQL and what are the differences between all those joins? And then they may ask you to write the query like currently they have asked like select the top three maximum salary employees by the department. What do you achieve by Git? And they may ask you to write the frequently used Git commands. And they may ask you if you are aware or do have any knowledge on CI/CD pipeline and the configuration process. And finally, they ask something like, do you have any questions to ask? So these are some of the important interview questions that are frequently asked in TCS in technical round two, guys. Okay, so please be thorough with all the questions. And the candidate has been selected in the interview. Guys, a small note. So I have written the answers for all these questions topic wise, and then I have updated a question bank with the latest interview questions. You can find all the end-to-end interview questions topic wise for Java or for Selenium, Playwright, so and then API testing, mobile automation, performance testing, AI tools, cloud testing, agile DevOps, and many other guys. And based on all my experience, I did lot of hard work to segregate the questions and then put it in for proper format. So please go through these links and be thorough for the interview. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the best.